Good morning. Welcome to week 7. This week, we're going to be moving forward with writing an outline. So, just a reminder, the dates that I have down for the class in Canvas are suggestions to try to keep you on track and moving forward with your project so that you're not trying to do it all at the last minute. If you need more time, you can take it. There's no penalty for that. So, I just want to remind you, as again, we have an assignment due this week related to the paper. So if you were behind on doing your bibliography, you might be behind on this as well. Do as much of an outline as you can this week. So that's what this week is about. Write an introduction and start creating your outline. So I like the comparison of a research paper as a trip. Right? So the thesis statement says where you're going and the outline is the itinerary. So what are the stops along the way? Here's some ideas about writing your introduction. So at this point, just try to get something down on paper. Okay, full outline and introduction. Suggested that you try to get this done by Sunday. Okay, so maybe you're planning on doing a lot of this over spring furlough, and that's okay too, but just try not to get too far behind. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me apologize for rescheduling our lunch so many times. Had some user error with setting out those lunch invites. So now we're focused on March 7th. This week we've got a couple people at Mardi Gras. Next week there was a conflict, and then so March 7th is our target, and I'll send out a reminder. So have a good week.